the whole ano mo, the whole live mo na to, 6 months ago pa to, yung napunta ako sa 6 months ago live mo. 6 months ago live mo, doon ako napunta eh. So, since nandito ako, panoorin ko muna yan, okay? Napunta ako dito. Hello, Mary Gisy. I would like to... Salamat, si Sir. You're very much welcome, Konyang. It's, I really appreciate. It's my pleasure also, okay? And also to Mary Gisy. Oh my God, Mary Gisy, happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mary Gisy! Happy birthday, Mary Gisy! Happy birthday! Mwah, mwah, mwah! Ayan, i-ano ko yan ha, parang, saan na ba dito? Hala, naghang yung phone ko, hindi ko yan maano, alaka, nawala, no? Hindi ko yan ma-highlight. Nabuing na akong phone, so diri, shortcut. Happy birthday, Mary JC! Don't worry, Mary JC, your mom will give you a birthday. Big bash tonight, okay? Don't worry, you just have to wait because we're all working. Happy birthday, Mary JC! Thank you so much, and Konyang Life Journey, thank you so much. Happy birthday, Mary JC. I have celebrated my birthday. I haven't celebrated. You will celebrate your birthday. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna sing you a song. Happy birthday. Okay, ano ako ng happy birthday. Ano ako ng happy birthday ha? Happy birthday. Yung ano, hindi tayo ma-copyright ng happy birthday. Oh, ayan. Okay. So, ayan. Happy birthday, Mary JC! Happy birthday birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ala, napakanakinong naman ito! Oh my God! Oh, happy birthday, Mary JC! Di ba pa sa Day to you! Happy birthday, Mary JC! From Daphne and Victoria 777. Happy birthday to Mary JC. Happy birthday! Mary JC, are you listening to me? Happy birthday! Yeah, it's Mary JC's birthday. Start again. Yeah, happy birthday to Mary JC. Mary JC is just 11 years old. Ang ganda ko! Natawa ko ha, birthday song na yan. Happy birthday, Mary JC! Ayusin natin yung kanta natin. Ayusin natin ha. Ayan, napaka-melody naman ang song na to. Unlike kanina na parang enroll ako, pinapawisan ako doon. Ito, pampaantok na naman to. Ito na lang. Iba din to. Happy birthday once again, Mary JC! Si Konyang. Lalo na, pinapaantok. Pero mo, pinapatulog na ako ng happy birthday song na to. Maghanap tayo ng maganda. O, ayan. O, ayan, di ba? Pinapawisan ako doon. Mary JC! Happy birthday, Mary JC! Thank you, Crazy Kid, Sir Crazy Kid, and Konyang Life Journey for the great things for Mary JC here. I hope that Mary JC is still watching. Oh my God, Mary JC, happy birthday! Hi! So, chill, Mary JC, don't be sad. You will get your birthday later for dinner, okay? Wait for your mom. Of course, you will celebrate your birthday. Hindi pwedeng hindi mag-celebrate ng birthday yan. Okay? Your mom loves you. Just give them time. Okay? Because they're still Working it out. Maybe mamaya may surprise ka sa kanya. Oh, happy birthday once again, Mary GC.